In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for task management. We'll start from a blank workspace and build a simple, effective board you can use to plan your week. I'll explain what each click is doing and share tips so you understand why we make each choice. First, head to the Monday.com homepage and sign in. Once you're in, look for the blue plus button, usually near the top left or top right of your workspace. Click that to add something new. From the options that appear, choose New Board. A new board is like a project space where your tasks live, with columns for important details. Next, select Create Board manually. This gives you full control instead of using a pre-made template, which is perfect for learning the basics. In the board setup, enter a straightforward name like Task Management, or any short phrase you'll recognize later. Keeping names simple helps when you're juggling multiple boards. You may see an option labeled Tasks. Click that to align your board with a task-style structure. Then choose the board's visibility. Pick Main if you want it visible to your entire account, private if it's just for you, or shareable if you plan to invite guests outside your organization. If this is a personal to-do board, private is often the most practical, but choose what suits your situation. When you're ready, click Create Board to confirm. Your new board will open with default columns. You'll likely see a People column. This is for assigning tasks to teammates. If this is a solo task management board, you can clean things up by removing it. Click on the People or Person column header, choose Delete, and confirm Delete again. This keeps your layout uncluttered so you can focus on what matters. Now let's add your first tasks. Click on the first placeholder item, often labeled Item 1, to select it. Click it again to open its detail panel if it appears. Rename it to something specific, like laundry. Clear, action-oriented names make it easier to know exactly what you're doing when you scan the board. Next, click on the second placeholder, Item 2. Open it if needed, then rename it to Car Wash. When you're done, close the item panel by clicking the X so you're back on the main board view. Let's set due dates. Under the date column, click the date cell for each task and choose the appropriate day from the calendar. Adding dates helps you prioritize your week and see what's coming up at a glance. To capture urgency, add a priority column. Click the plus button on the far right of your columns to add a new one. From the list, choose Priority. Monday.com will insert a colored label column that's easy to scan. Now, set laundry to high priority by clicking in its priority cell and selecting high. Then click the priority cell for car wash and set it to medium. Use these labels consistently so you can sort and filter later without confusion. Finally, rename your group header to keep things organized over time. Click where it says Group Title at the top of your task list and change it to something like Tasks Week 1. Group titles help you segment work by week, by project phase, or however you prefer to plan. Keeping a clear naming convention makes it simple to archive old groups and start fresh when a new week begins. At this point, you have a focused, personal task board, meaningful task names, dates that keep you on schedule, and priorities that guide your attention. As you use it, keep task names short and specific, update dates when plans change, and adjust priorities based on urgency and impact. This simple setup is lightweight enough for daily use, but flexible enough to grow with you as your workload expands.